Good evening, students. Am I audible? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, what is the answer for the first one?
Sir, option A.
How is it a many-to-one function?
So since it's from real number to real number and it's x cube, no, sir.
X cube means what will happen? Many-to-one means we are saying two numbers will generate the same output.
Oh, no, sir, no, sir.
Then what is the answer?
Option D, sir.
Why D?
Sir, because it will be 1 to 1, sir. If you substitute any value for the given x, sir, and then
So x1 cube is equal to x2 cube. X1 will be equal to x2. Okay. What about onto? If I put y is equal to x cube, x will be equal to y power 1 by 3. Okay. Now tell me.
Sir, is it D, sir?
Yeah, but why is it D?
Since negative numbers inside the root, it's not imaginary.
No. Negative numbers is possible. See, for example, minus 8 power 1 by 3 is minus 2 because minus 2 multiplied with itself 3 times is minus 8. It is possible. It is actually not into, rather it is onto. It is 1 to 1 and onto. So Nitish, mark this, okay? 1 option B.
Okay.
Write it in a paper and send it to me. Second one, what is the answer? Second one, what is the answer? 0 to pi. Okay, I'm doing, check it. For any two matrices AB, AB is equal to BA is always true. No. Whenever AB exists, then BA exists. Not necessary. Sometimes AB is equal to BA and sometimes AB is not equal to BA. Partially correct. AB is equal to BA is never true. No. It can happen sometimes.
sir, why not option B, sir, in the previous question?
Whenever AB exists, then BA exists. Why should it exist? See, 2 cross 1 and 1 cross 3 you can multiply. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
AB. BA means
1 cross
1
3.
cross 3. Can you multiply them?
No, sir.
You can't. That is the reason. If A is a 3 cross 3 matrix such that determinant of A is equal to 8, then determinant of 3 times A is. It is basically 27 into 8. Because this 3 will get multiplied with every number in the matrix. So it becomes 27 into 8. 27 into 8 is 216. Y square is equal to ax square plus b, then d square y by dx square is equal to. So y square means 2y into y dash is equal to 2ax. So y dash is equal to ax by y. So what is y double dash? Y into a minus ax into y dash divided by y square. Right. Now see. So y double dash is equal to ay minus ax into ax by y square. So what will the answer be? Ay square minus a square x square divided by y cube. Correct? Huh? So what should be the answer? So none of the options are matching. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me take out the a common. A into y square minus ax square divided by y cube. What is y square minus ax square? Y square minus ax square is b. So it will be ab divided by y cube. Correct? You can take this to be the option. C is the option. Okay. So what is the answer for the sixth one? The minimum value of f of x. So f dash of x will be equal to 12x cube minus 24x square minus 48. So if I equate it to 0, x cube minus 2x square minus 4 is 0. So what will be the answer is? So can I put x equal to, how much can I put? So what will be the value of x that will satisfy this equation? X cube minus 2x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Differentiating. Okay. Then what else can we do? Well, x cube minus 24x square minus 48 is equal to 0. So so what is the value of x that you have substituted? None of you have solved. Guys, can you please respond? I feel as if I am rating the exam. I'm asking what is the value of x you got.
Sir, I didn't solve this question fully, sir.
Yeah, but at least can you try now?
Yes.
What is the value of x that we can substitute using trial and error? Can we substitute 2? So when you substitute 2, you will get 8 minus 2 into 4 minus 4. So it will be 8 minus 12, which is not working. Then what else can we have? What else can we have? That doesn't work then. Three will work. Huh? So 27 minus 2 into 9 minus 4. So 27 minus 18 minus 4. Square into x minus 2 minus 4. How come this is not working? Minimum value is this thing. We're not getting a real value.
Yes, sir.
I think this problem is right. When will you get 25? When you substitute 0 here, you're going to get 25. When you substitute 3 here, you will not get 25 because it's a symmetric function because of x power 4. I don't think this is worth. Okay, you should get marks for this. So write down this question. Sixth one, you will get marks. So integral of log x, according to Eilert, logarithmic and algebraic. So log x into 1 minus integral of 1 by x into 1 into dx. So first function into integral of second function, that is integral of 1, that is going to give me x. So first function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first into integral of second, and this will get cancelled. So x log x minus 1 from 1 to e. So that will be e log e minus 1 minus of 1
Sir,
log 1 minus 1.
x log
Sir,
x
is it
minus x.
x log x minus x?
Why x? Oh, x log x minus x. Correct. So it will be e log e minus this thing. Okay. So e into log e is 1. So this will become 0. Correct? E log e minus e minus of 1 into log 1. So it should be plus 1. So this should be the answer. Just verifying once. Yeah, correct. Next, the area of the region bound by the curve y is equal to mod of x minus 2, where x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3, and x axis is. So if I take y is equal to x minus 2, x is equal to 0, y is minus 2. When I put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So the line will be like this. So the graph will be in this way. This will be 2, 0. Okay. X is equal to 1 is line here. X is equal to 3 is a line here. This area plus this area will give me the answer. This is 1, this is 3. So what will this point be? This is negative of x minus 2. This is x minus 2. So when I put x is equal to 1, what do I get here? 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1, this is 1. So x is equal to 3. This will also be 1. So this height is 1. This height is 1. This is 1. This is 1. So what will be the area? Half into base into height. Guys, what will be the area? I told you, in MCQ, you need not sit and do the integration part. Half into base is 1, height is 1, plus half into base is 1, height is 1. So how much will you get? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 1, which is going to be this value.
Sir, we got the point of intersection.
I substituted x is equal to 1 in the equation. Either x is equal to 1, I substituted.
Okay.
So this is a very simple problem. Dy by dx is equal to e power x into e power y. So dy by or e power minus y dy, e power minus y dy is equal to e power x dx. Integrate on both the sides. E power minus y by minus 1 is equal to e power x plus c. Got it? What is the answer then? E power x plus e power minus y is equal to c. Ninth A. So if a vector plus b vector plus c vector is 0, mod a is 3, mod b is 5, mod c is 7, then a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. So square on both the sides. So we'll get a plus b plus c dot a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times a dot b plus 2 times b dot c plus 2 times c dot a is equal to 0. So a square is 9, b square is 25, c square is 49, plus 2 into a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to 0. So this is how much? 34. 34 plus 49 is how much? 83. 34, 49. Yeah, 83. So a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a will be equal to minus 83 divided by 2. This is the answer. Yes, if A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 are the direction ratios of two parallel lines, then A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Objective function of an LPP is used to optimize. Two events A and B are said to be independent if this thing. F of x is equal to a power x is increasing on R if a is greater than 0. So integral of root of tan x by sin x into cos x. This is a repeated question. It is 2 root of secant x plus c. Sorry, 2 root of tan x plus c. This I have solved it many times. Integral of log x by x. So if I put log x is equal to t, 1 by x into dx will be dt. So integral of t dt, that is t square by 2. So we will get the answer as log x the whole square divided by 2 plus c. Next, the number of arbitrary constants, the general solution of the differential equation of fourth order is obviously 4. The general solution of a differential equation dy by dx is equal to minus x. So dy by dx is equal to minus x implies, so dy is equal to minus x dx.
So log
Log the be e power minus x. So e power minus x dx. So y will be e power minus x by minus 1 plus c. This is the answer. 18th, let me check. C then. C. Magnitude of a vector plus b vector is equal to magnitude of a vector minus b vector. Then the angle between them is 90 degrees. So square on both the sides, you'll get a square plus b square plus 2a dot b is equal to a square plus b square minus 2a dot b. Cancel them. So you'll get 4 times a dot b is equal to 0, which implies a dot b is equal to 0 or theta is equal to 90 degrees. So this is 90. Reason a vector plus b vector is equal to b vector plus a vector. This is right, but both a and r are right, but r is not the right explanation for it. Next, if alpha, beta, gamma are the right angles that a line makes with the positive direction of x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis respectively, then the direction cosines of the line are cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma respectively. So how will you prove it? This I hope you know to prove it. This we have done many times. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2, which implies 2x1 is equal to 2x2, which implies x1 is equal to x2. So hence it's a one-to-one function. What about onto function? If I put y is equal to 2x, implies x is equal to y by 2. So f is a function mapped from R to R. For every real number that is there in the set y, you can find a real number in the domain set. Right. So that is the first one. Second one, define a relation on n given by x plus y is equal to 10 such that x comma y belongs to n. What is the relation? So x and y belong to natural numbers. So if you put x is equal to 1, y will be 9. If you put x is equal to 2, y will be 8, 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, 2, 9, 1. Determine whether the relation is reflexive, symmetric, or transitive. Is it reflexive? Looking at it, can you answer? Is it reflexive? Obviously, no. Is it transitive? 1, 9 is there, 9, 1 is there. You don't have 1, 1. So it is not transitive. What about symmetric? 1, 9 is there, 9, 1 is there. 2, 8 is there, 8, 2 is there. 3, 7, 7, 3, 4, 6, 6, 4. Like for every pair that you have, right, you have a counter pair also. Right? Hence it is symmetric, but not reflective. It is not reflexive or transitive.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, if 5, 5 it, not exist, then it is reflexive.
It is not reflexive. For it to be reflexive, if you need to have the set of all elements, no, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, everything should be there. Even if one of them is missing, you cannot have it.
Yes.
Yeah. Find the principal value of cot inverse of root 3, which is obviously pi by 6. Answer for this one: A is equal to 3, 2, minus 1, minus 5, 0, minus 6. B is equal to minus 4, minus 5, minus 2, 3, 1, 8. Then verify A plus B, the whole transpose, is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So A plus B is how much? Minus 1, minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, 0, sorry, 0, 1, minus 2, 1, 2. So the transpose of this will be minus 1, minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 2. Correct? What about A transpose plus B transpose? So A transpose is equal to this A plus B, the whole transpose. What about A transpose? 3, 2, minus 1, minus 5, 0, minus 6. B transpose is equal to minus 4, minus 5, minus 2, 3, 1, 8. So if I add both, what will I get? Minus 1, minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 2. Okay, find the value of x, y, z from the below equation. So x plus y plus z is 9. X plus z is 5. So 5 plus y is 9. So y is equal to 4. Similarly, y plus z is x plus 7 is 9. X will be 2. When x is 2 and y is 4, 2 plus 4 plus z is equal to 9. So z will be 9 minus 6, which will be 3. I hope it's a simple problem. So x is 2, y is 4, and z is 3. Find the value of lambda so that the points are collinear. So when the points are collinear, what can you say? Determinant of 1, minus 5, 1, minus 4, 5, 1, lambda 7, 1 is equal to 0. So 1 into 5 minus 7 plus 5 into minus 4 minus lambda plus 1 into minus 28 minus 5 lambda is equal to 0. So minus 2 minus 20 plus 5 lambda minus 28 minus 5 lambda is equal to 0. So 1 minute, wait. Here it is minus 5 lambda. So it is minus 10 lambda minus 22 minus 50 is equal to 0. So lambda is minus 5. So lambda is minus 5. Correct. So maximize z is equal to 4x plus 4x plus 9y subject to the constraints x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0, x plus 5y is less than 200, 2x plus 3y is less than 134. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 40. So 0, 40. Y is equal to 0, x is 200. So 200, 0. So 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 134. X is equal to 0, y is this a repeated one? Yeah, this
Yes,
is.
sir.
So answer is 382. Yeah, change it next time. So 26th, x is equal to 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Y is equal to 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Find the value of d square y by dx square. Dx by d theta is equal to one minute. So dx by d theta is equal to minus 2 sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta to sin 2 theta. Yeah, dy by d theta is equal to two cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. Am I right? So basically, this is negative of phi, this is x. So what will dy by dx be equal to? It will be minus x by y. So what will d square y by dx square be equal to? Minus x into y dash minus y divided by y square. Am I right? So d square y by
Sir,
dx square
y square
into
y
y edra
v into u dash, right?
okay. So v into minus 1 minus of minus x into y dash. Okay, now is it fine? I'm just
Yes.
trying out differently. Let's see. So this will be minus y plus x into y dash is minus x by y divided by y square. Okay, so d square y by d theta square at theta is equal to pi by 2. At theta is equal to pi by 2, what is the value of x? Theta is equal to pi by 2, x will be how much? Can you answer fast? This will be 0 minus cos pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2. When you put y, what will be the value of y? Y will be 2 minus 1 by root 2. Am I right? What about y dash? Wait,
Sir,
there's actually getting.
y will be, no sir, y will be 2 minus 0, right? Pi by 2 times pi by 2.
Oh, sine 2 times pi by 2 sine pi. Then this should also be cos pi, no? Then this will be plus 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this will be 2. Then what about y dash? Y dash will be minus half. Can you substitute all these values and tell me? So y is 2. So minus 2 plus x is 1 into minus 1 by 4 divided by y square. Y square is 4. So minus 2 plus 1 by 4 by 4. So how much is it? Minus 8 plus 1. Minus 7 by 4. Answer is given as 3 by 2. Can you guys check if I done any calculation mistake? Just check it once. I have a small work. I'll just be back. Okay. Don't leave. Be on the line. I'll be back in less than 10 minutes. So in the meanwhile, keep solving this. Just be on mute. Guys, are you with me? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
just be back. Yeah. Yeah. Did you get the answer for that?
Sir, here minus x by y, you substituted wrong values. Sir. Like x is 1 and y is 2.
Is 2. Minus 1 by 2. So how much will you get? Okay, till here there are no mistakes. No, let me check this step again. So minus y plus x into minus x by y, correct? So minus of y is 2 plus x is how much? 1 into minus 1 by 4 divided by y square, which is 4. So it's coming out as minus 5 by 8. No, but what is the answer given is? Answer given is 3 by 2.
Sir, I got minus 3 by 2 as the answer, but not by this method, sir. I have done using another methods.
Minus 3 by 2. Ayuru Ormisho. Then problem number 26.
26, sir.
Minus 3 by 2 is correct. But you would have done it directly, but this should also give you the same answer. Okay, we'll go with direct method. Let's not go with this. First of all, space is a constraint for me. I'm not able to cross check. My screen size is small. Okay, listen to this. What is dy by d theta? 2 cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta divided by minus 2 sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. Right, you would have done this thing, d square y by d theta square something. Sorry, the dy by dx. So you would have done d square y by dx square is equal to, what did you do?
Sir,
You
I
would have done
actually
minus.
took the 2 outside from denominator and numerator, and then I have used
Okay,
the
that will get
formula
cancelled.
cos A minus cos B, sir. Like that I have done, sir.
Okay, you did cos A minus cos B. That is also right. So
Yes,
whatever you
sir,
do,
like that.
get this answer. One
Yes, sir.
minute. When we substitute pi by 2, yeah, what? Can just give me 1 more minute. Let me try in that method itself. It's not coming. I'll check it again. So what is dy by dx? So your answer is right. So dy is 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Oh, this is the mistake. See, I wrote this as x. No, this is not x. 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta is x. This 2 is extra. This is not x actually. So what I wrote is wrong. So what is dy by dx? So it is cos theta minus cos 2 theta divided by minus sin theta plus sin 2 theta. Yeah. Tell me what is cos A minus cos B? It is minus 2 sin.
A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2.
How much is it? 3 theta by 2 sin.
Sin minus theta by 2.
That's minus value.
Yes, sir.
So sin 2 theta minus sin theta is 2 cos of 3 theta by 2 sin of theta by 2. This and this will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. You will get the answer as minus
tan 3
tan,
theta by 2.
correct. The dy by dx. So what is d square y by dx square?
Secant square 3 theta by 2.
Minus secant square, minus secant square 3 theta by 2 into
3 by 2. 3 by 2 d theta by dx, sir.
Correct. So when you put theta is equal to pi by 2, what will happen? Minus secant square into 3 pi by 4 into 3 by 2 into what is d theta by dx?
1 by 2 of sin 2 theta minus sin theta, sir.
இதுல வந்து minus 2 டா. Minus 2 plus 2 வரும். So minus half வந்துருமா?
Yes, sir.
But if it is minus half, then how are we getting the final answer as minus 3 by 2?
Sir, I didn't get minus off, sir.
How much did you get?
Sir, in the d theta by dx, I substituted as 1 by 2 of sin 2 theta minus sin theta, sir.
சரிடா, ரெண்டும் ஒண்ணு தானே?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I tell you what you did is 3 by 2, 1 by 2 of sin 2 theta minus sin theta. This is what you did.
Yes, sir.
Right. So minus, what is secant square 3 pi by 4? Minus 1 by
Sir, even now we will get minus of, sir.
இது minus 2 டா. கரெக்டா? ஏன்னா secant square 3 pi by 4 is square root of 2. So it will be minus 2 into 3 by 2 into, that's what I'm saying, you will get minus half only. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Answer will be 3 by 2. But what have they given? They've given it as minus 3 by 2. அதுதான் வர மாட்டேங்குது. Did anyone get minus 3 by 2? Niranjan, I think there is a mistake somewhere, right?
Yes, sir. I have also missed that minus in that part which you told. I have done the mistake, sir.
Anyone else who got that 3 by 2? Because in the answer sheet I have, the solution sheet, they have done it in a very long method. Okay, it's expressed in a very long method. Without that, did anyone get 3 by 2? Can I have a response, please? So 3 by 2 seems to be the correct answer. So 26th one, the Nitish write it down. 3 by 2 is the answer. It's not minus 3 by 2. 27th another. A figure consists of a semicircle with a rectangle or its diameter. Given that the perimeter of the figure, find the dimensions in order that the area may be minimum. So what is the answer? So how to solve this? See, this is 2x, right? Diameter is 2x. What is going to be the circumference? 2 pi r. No, the circumference is going to be pi d by 2. And okay. So diameter is 2x. Area may be maximum. So what is going to be the area of this portion? Area is equal to pi d square by 4. So pi into d square is 4x square by 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. Pi x square is a. What about this area? This a2 is equal to 2x plus 2y. So 2 into x plus y. Wait a second, I have some response.
Area 2x into 2a.
2x into 2. So 4xy. See, if you're not responding, I'm not feeling like solving. And I'm asking a question, answer. No. So here, if you observe, the perimeter of the figure is given. So what is going to be the perimeter of the figure? If I take P is equal to, that will be 2 into x plus y plus pi into d divided by 2. So 2 into x plus y plus pi into diameter is 2x.
Sir,
So
I have a
2x.
doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, here length is given 2x, 2x and 2y.
2x, yes.
So perimeter of a rectangle, you are writing it as
This should be 4 into this thing. Now is it fine? Because 2 into 2x plus 2y. So 4 will come out. Okay, now it will be 4 plus pi into x plus 4y. So this is going to be the perimeter. Area is going to be how much? Area is going to be pi x square plus 4xy. So can you take this y and substitute it? So y is equal to p minus of 4 plus pi into x divided by 4. Pi x square plus 4x into p minus of 4 plus pi into x divided by 4.
sir.
Solra. 4 and 4 are gone. Yeah.
Sir, can you scroll up?
1 minute.
Ah.
So pi x square and pi x square get cancelled. Px minus 4x square. Solra.
Sir, in that last step, like, can you scroll up a little?
Okay.
Sir, in that 4x plus y and pi x, what you did, sir? I didn't get it.
Pi into diameter by 2 da. Pi into d is going to be the, see, 2 pi r is the perimeter of a circle. So pi d is going to be the perimeter of a circle. So for a semicircle, it will be half of it.
Yes, sir.
So d is how much? 2x. So 2x by 2 will become pi x. So I collected all the x terms. So 4 plus pi into x plus 4y is what is the perimeter. So y will be.
How will you got, sir? Like 4 into x plus y. The next step, how you got?
Which one? Y.
No, sir. That p.
4x plus pi x. 4 plus pi into x plus 4y.
Oh, okay, sir. Yes, yes,
Upper
sorry,
y will
sorry.
be p minus 4 plus pi into x divided by 4. I took this value and substituted here.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So what is dA divided by dx? Perimeter is given, remember. dA by dx is equal to p minus 8x. If I equate it to 0, x will p will be equal to 8x. So when p is equal to 8x, what will be the value of y? Y will be 8x minus of 4 plus pi into x divided by 4. So y is equal to 4x minus pi x divided by 4. So what did they ask actually? Find its dimension. So we got the dimensions, no? X is equal to p by 8, y is equal to 4x 4 minus pi into x divided by 4. 4 minus pi into x is p by 8 by 4. That will be p into 4 minus pi divided by 32. That is the answer. Okay. Did anyone do the next one?
Sir, second derivative, if we do,
You'll get -8.
Yes, sir. Maximum. Yes, sir.
It is less than 0. So the total area of a page is 150 centimeters square. The combined width of the margin at the top and bottom is 3 centimeter and the side is 2 centimeter. What must be the dimensions of the page in order to have maximum printable area? So how to solve this? So if I take a page, for this page, the combined width of the margin at the top and the bottom is 3 centimeter and the side is 2 centimeter. Side is 2 centimeter. Okay. So if I take this to be X, for instance, and this to be Y, then what is going to be the area of this? Area of the page is 150, which implies X into Y is equal to 150 centimeter square. The combined width of the margin at the top and the bottom is 3 centimeter. So how to solve this? So xy is equal to 150 means y is equal to 150 divided by x. Let me take this as 1. Now, what is going to be the area that can be printed?
X minus 3
Area.
into y minus 2, sir.
Very good. Y minus 2 is equal to area. So in the place of y, can we substitute this? X minus 3 into 150 by x minus 2 is equal to a. So on differentiating this, you will get the value of x. So I'll give you 2 minutes time, differentiate and tell me what is the answer.
Sir, x side got us 15 centimeter and y is 10 centimeters, sir.
Correct. X is 15 centimeter.
Y
So
10
if you put
centimeter.
here, y will be 10 centimeter. Correct. Raf? That's it. So x is 15, y is 10. Okay. Solve the differential equation x square plus 1 into dy plus 2y minus 1 into dx. So it's very simple. Variables separables. No. Dx divided by x square plus 1 is equal to dy divided by 1 minus 2y. So basically, when this goes to the other side, I took the minus sign outside. So integrate on both the sides. You will get tan inverse x is equal to log of 1 minus 2y divided by minus 2 plus c. Correct? Am I clear? Actually, there's a simple problem. Okay. Solve the differential equation, this one. X plus y minus 1 into dy is equal to x plus y into dx. So what we can do is we'll put x plus y is equal to some function u and then proceed. So 1 plus dy by dx is equal to du by dx, which implies dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus 1. So x plus y is u minus 1 into du by dx minus 1 is equal to u. So du by dx minus 1 is equal to u by u minus 1. So du by dx is equal to u by u minus 1 plus 1. So u plus u minus 1 divided by u minus 1. So how much will you get? 2u minus 1 divided by u minus 1 is what is du by dx equal to. So what if I rearrange and write it, I'll get u minus 1 divided by 2u minus 1 into du is equal to dx. So how to solve this? Hey, how to solve this now?
Sir, it is of the form px plus q.
It is of the form px plus q, but the denominator is not quadratic. Denominator quadratic.
Okay.
U minus 1 divided by 2u minus 1 into du. Can I make the numerator exactly the symmetric part as the denominator?
Yes, sir.
How? How can I make it exactly symmetric? See, for example, I can split and write it later. U by 2u minus 1 into du minus integral of 1 divided by 2u minus 1 into du. How to solve this?
Sir, first one, it will be log of.
Okay, I can multiply with 2 and divide it with 2. So I'll add minus 1, I'll subtract minus 1 and add it plus 1. Makes sense? One minute. See, listen, I want this to become the value here. So if I multiply, for example, if I subtract 2 here, I'll do one thing. I'll multiply and divide it with 2 because I'm able to see that the coefficient of u in the denominator is 2. Okay. So half into integral of 2u, it's going to be minus 2, no? So I'll write 2u minus 1 divided by 2u minus 1 minus integral of half into 1 divided by 2u minus 1 du. Makes sense? So this and this will get cancelled. Half into integral of du is u minus half into log of 2u minus 1 divided by 2 plus c. So answer will be u by 2 minus log of 2u minus 1 divided by 4 plus c. Did you guys understand? If u இருக்கிற இடத்துல you need to put x plus y by 2 minus log of 2 into x plus y minus 1 by 4 by 4 plus c.
Sir, by seeing this question, how are you like deciding whether to substitute, sir?
Because I want to eliminate that. See, it is neither a homogeneous function nor a linear function. Because homogeneous function has the solution method y is equal to vx. Linear function, we have the, linear differential equation, we have the integrating factor. Whereas it is in neither of the forms. I'm able to see x plus y here, x plus y here. So that is why I replaced x plus y with u.
Yes, sir.
I understand. Yeah. So what is the answer for the 30th?
Sir, 29.
This 29. Oh, 29, there is a problem. Huh? Using integration, find the area of the region bound by the line y is equal to 1 plus x, then x-axis and the ordinates x is equal to -2 and x is equal to 3. So how to solve this? Y is equal to 1 plus x, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to -1. Okay, there's the line. X is equal to -2 is here. And x is equal to 3 is here. Now you tell me what would this area and this area be even before solving. So this length is 4, this length is 1. This height is, if I substitute -2, this height will be 3. How much is this height? If I put x is equal to 3, I'll get 4. Yeah. So what is the area of the red portion? It is half into 4 into 4. What is the area of the green portion? It will be half into 3 into 1, but with a minus sign because it is below x-axis. So what will be the total area? It will be 8 minus 3 by 2. Answer should be 16 minus 3 by 2. That is 13 by 2 should be the answer. Okay. So the same thing we are supposed to derive it using the same thing we are supposed to get it using integration also. Did you understand what I did?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me how to use integration. Integral of -2 to 3, right? I'll break it into 2 parts. Integral of -2 to -1. So what is the function? Y is equal to the same thing, no? So I can directly use this value itself. Integral of -2 to 3, 1 plus x dx. Tell me what is the answer. Solve this and tell me.
Sir, why are we not breaking since -2 to 1 it is below x-axis, right?
But it's the same function, no? You want to write it as 1 plus, minus of x minus 1, minus of x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Now integrate this and tell me what is the answer you are getting.
Okay, 1 minute.
Sir, it's 15 by 2.
You're getting 15 by 2.
Yes, sir.
15 by 2. But here, when you do it in this way, you are getting half into this length is 4. So when you put x is equal to 3, y is 4. So half into 4 is 8, correct. When you put x is equal to minus 2 here, x is equal to minus 2, y will be minus 1. So this height is 1, so it should be half. So 8 minus half is 15 by 2. See, both are same. You need not break it. Anushya, I hope you understood.
Sir, if I break the points, I got the answer as 17 by 2.
17 by 2. But see, I proved it using the analytical method also, no? What should be the actual answer? It should be because remember, whenever you are calculating the integral, the area is actually with sign. Right? Is it not area with sign? So it should be 15 by 2. Okay, I'll do one thing. So you guys are breaking because of this reason. You are thinking in this way. Then analytical method, what will happen is I should not take the sign into consideration. If I do it like that, then you will get 17 by 2. Okay, we'll validate which one is right. I'll tell you the logic. Listen to this. So I'm doing this again. Can you tell me the logic of why you're breaking it actually? Why do you need to break it?
Sir, since area will be negative and it will give a smaller value than the expected value.
It's not like that. I'll tell you what happens. It's not like that. You took it like this. No, listen to this carefully. So whenever you're writing integral of a to b f of x dx, no, basically you go from the bottom to the top. What you people did is right only. So using the analytical method, if you do, you should actually get 17 by 2 if you ignore the minus sign. See, the logic is when you're actually solving, right, you always solve it by using upper curve minus lower curve. What do you do? See, for example, if I take integral of a to b, it is always upper curve minus lower curve terms dx. Listen to this carefully now. Now, when I go from minus 2 to 1, when I go from minus 2 to 1, which is the upper curve? So when I go from minus 2 to 1, which is the upper curve? X-axis itself? Because that is upper boundary. So what is the x-axis? 0 minus, what is the lower curve? 1 plus x dx plus integral of minus 1 to 3. Listen, minus 1 to 3, which is the upper curve? From minus 1 to 3, what is the upper curve?
X
It
plus
is
1.
1 plus x dx minus 0, minus lower curve. So when you do it like this, yeah, you people are right actually. So you'll get 17 by 2. So that is the right answer. So when we did in the analytical method, actually we need not take the sign into consideration. So what we can do is you just add them numerically. You will get the answer as 17 by 2. Because you'll get 8 plus half, that is 17 by 2. See, but one thing, are you clear of why you should actually go in this way? It is not because of negative value or something. The basic areas of integral says you always do integral of a to b upper curve minus lower curve. So whichever limit you are going, you look at the breaking point. Before the breaking point, see which is the upper curve and which is the lower curve. Okay. So what is the answer for 30th? The contents of 3 urns are as follows. Urn 1 contains 7 white, 3 black. Urn 2 contains 4 white, 6 black. Urn 3 contains 2 white, 8 black. One of these urns is chosen at random with probabilities of 0.2, 0.6, and 0.2 respectively. From the chosen urn, 2 balls are drawn at random without replacement. If both these balls are white, what is the probability that these came from urn 3? Answer.
Sir, is it 1 by 40?
1 by 40 is correct, but how did you get it? Tell me the steps. E1, you can define an event. Event of choosing urn 1. E2, event of choosing urn 2. E3, event of choosing urn 3. Am I right? So what is probability of E1? 0.2. That is how much? 1 by 5. What is probability of E2? 3 by 5. Probability of E3. It is again 1 by 5. Okay. So now what is happening from the urn? 2 balls are chosen. It is not like 1 ball. 2 balls are drawn at random without replacement. If these balls are white, what is the probability that these came from urn 3? AB, let A be the event. 2 balls drawn are white. Okay. So what is the probability of A given E1? So actually, what are we supposed to find? We need to find probability of, read the question. If both the balls are white, what is the probability that these came from urn 3? So probability of E3 given A is equal to probability of E3 into probability of A given E3 divided by probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A given E2 plus probability of E3 into probability of A given E3. Okay. So what is the probability of A given E3? Tell me. Sorry, what is the probability of A given E3? Yeah, or we can go in the order. Probability of A given E1. So what is going to be the meaning of it? What is the probability that you chose the first bag? Sorry, you chose the white ball from the first bag. You chose 2 white balls from the first bag. Out of the 7 white balls that are available, 7C2 divided by what is going to be the total possibility? 7 plus 3, it is going to be 10 balls. So 10C2. What is the probability of A given E2? 4C2 by 10C2.
42 by 10 C2.
What is the probability of A given E3? 2C2 divided by 10C2. Right? If you take all these values and substitute it here, you will get the probability of E3 given A as 1 divided by 40. You're right. Similarly, how to do the next one? So how to do the next one? A bag contains 3 white and 2 black balls, and another bag contains 2 white and some black balls. That sum we don't know. Let it be X. One bag is chosen at random. So what is the probability of choosing a bag? So E1 be event of choosing bag 1, E2 be event of choosing bag 2. So what is the probability of E1? That is half. Probability of E2 is also half. So what is A? If the probability of getting a black ball from the selected bag is 8 by 15. So A is the probability of getting a black ball. So A be the event of getting black ball from selected bag. What is the probability of A? Probability of A will be 8 by 15. Okay. So what is the probability of E1? It is half. Probability of E2 is half. Probability of A given E1 is how much? So probability of getting black ball from the selected bag is how much? So 2 out of 5. What is the probability of A given E2? X divided by 2 plus X. So can I write the total probability as probability of A is equal to probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A given E2. So what is the probability of E1? Half. What is the probability of A given E1? 2 by 5. Plus probability of E2 is half. A given E2 is X divided by 2 plus X. What is the probability of A? It is 8 by 15. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Okay, let me leave the 2 as it is. So 8 by 15 is equal to half into 2 plus X by 2 plus X. So half into 4 plus 3X divided by 2 plus X is 8 by 15. So 16 by 15 is equal to 4 plus 3X divided by 2 plus X, which implies 32 plus 16X is equal to 60 plus 45X. So what is the answer? You're getting a negative value. I forgot this 5 here. So 8 by 15 is equal to half into 4 plus 2x plus 5x divided by 5 into 2 plus x. So this 5 will cancel this 3 times. So 8 by 3 is equal to 4 plus 7x divided by, or 16 by 3 is equal to 4 plus 7x divided by 2 plus x. So 32 plus 16x is equal to 12 plus 21x. So 20 is equal to 5x, x will be 4. That is answer. Yeah. So 31, using vector method, find the value of lambda and mu where the points are collinear. So how to solve this? How to solve this stuff? Find the vector method to find the values of lambda and mu for which the points are collinear. So what will you do? Yeah, please, sir. I told please talk, or else we can wind it up. You better look at the solutions. Why do I need to sit here?
Sir, I took a common vector called as R vector, and then I wrote this R vector plus R vector is equal
You
to
wrote
B vector.
you wrote the equation of line, correct?
Yes, sir. R vector is equal to B vector plus alpha times C vector minus B.
B na iduva.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 2i cap minus 3k cap plus what did you write?
Alpha times C vector minus B vector.
அப்ப எவ்வளவு வரும்? Minus I cap minus 2j cap minus 2k cap, correct?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I didn't do the substitution first itself, sir. And then I took it as I took the B as common, sir, and then I did, sir.
B as common, na?
Like 1 minus alpha into B vector plus alpha times C vector, sir.
B இல்லையே, நான் B vector எழுதலையே.
Sir, the 2i cap minus 3k cap. That's B vector, sir.
Okay, you took all the x terms common, so 2 minus alpha into I cap, correct? Minus 2 alpha j cap minus 3 minus 2 alpha k cap. Did you do this?
Sir, I got it as 2 minus 2.
I did nothing. I just took the terms common. That's it. Correct?
Sir, I got for k cap as minus 3 plus. Yes, sir, got it, sir.
So, இது வந்து xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap is equal to this value.
Yes, sir.
So, in the place of xyz, what can I substitute? 3
I
lambda mu
substitute yes, sir. But A vector, sir.
So 3i cap plus lambda j cap plus mu times k cap is equal to 2 minus alpha I cap minus 2 alpha j cap minus 3 minus 2 alpha k cap. Correct? So 2 minus
yes,
alpha is equal to 3, which implies alpha is equal to minus 1. Alpha minus
yes,
1,
sir.
lambda will be 2.
And mu is equal to minus 1, sir.
எவ்வளவு வருது? minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Correct?
Yes.
அவ்வளவுதான். Correct. So 32nd. Integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 minus pi by 2 divided by root of cos x into sin square x.
Sir, I tried solving this sum, sir, but I didn't get the answers properly.
Let's see. This beyond your scope. I'll see if you can get marks. Minus pi by 2 into integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 dx divided by root of cos x into sin square x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So minus pi by 2 into integral of. See, when you have integral of minus a to a f of x dx, you will check something, right? What is it? You'll check whether it is even or odd.
Yes, sir.
So if you check f of minus x, that comes out to be f of x. It's an even function. So when it's an even function, you will write 2 times integral of 0 to a dx divided by root of cos x into sin x. Can I write it like this? Just a minute. Yeah. So root of cos x into sin square x. Is there something we can do with respect to sin square x? So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Minus pi into integral of 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by root of cos x into sin square x. Can I write it as 1 minus cos square x? Can I do this?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything else we can think of? If I put this as t, square root of t into 1 minus t square, what will happen to the numerator? It will be sin x into dx. It's not working, no? Let's say I'm putting cos x is equal to t minus sin x dx will be equal to dt. So if I put x is equal to 0, t is equal to 1. If I put x is equal to pi by 2, t is equal to 0. So minus pi into integral of it's not working, no? I'll check this problem down. Okay. So told I'm not able to focus. I'll check this problem and I'll let you know. 30 seconds. So this one, what is the answer? Integral of sorry, not integral. You will get x power y, no? So what is the derivative of x power y? How will you solve it? If suppose I take the z is equal to x power y, log z is equal to y log x. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Log z is equal to y log x. So what will be the answer for this after you differentiate it? So dy by dx will come out as x power y into y by x plus log x into dy by dx. Okay, similarly, what is y power x derivative?
Y
So
power
for
x into log y plus dy by dx into x by y.
y power x into
Log y
plus
dy by dx into x by y.
okay, x by y into dy by dx. Right. The sum of these two values should be 0. So after you do that, you will get dy by dx is equal to negative of y into x power y minus 1 plus y power x into log y, the whole divided by x power y into log x plus x into y power x minus 1. We'll get this as the answer. Now, how many more problems are there? 33, 5 more, no? Guys, if you don't mind, not well actually. Can I do these problems when I discuss the next paper? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, I'm
Yes,
not
sir.
able to focus. Little unwell. So I'll do the remaining 5 problems in the next class. That is on Sunday. We'll have a session. No, at that point I'll do it. Okay. I'm sorry for that.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
sir, can you stop the recording? Just